So you click on it and then outlet.
An app developed by a Danish company plays a key role in the development of a wastewater management plan in Tema.
As part of the sector cooperation, we needed to work on the central sewer system in Tema. And then as part of that program too, we need to collect the existing situation of the sewer.
When we started this cooperation, I had a cooperation with a bookman here in Ghana to make a data model where we described what kind of features we want to collect about the sewer system. We had looked at how we do it in Denmark, and then we have made a minimum data model. So we only handling the most important things.
The app that Aarhus Water uses is called Gizmo, and it's developed by the Danish company LE34.
We have a very good collaboration with Aarhus Vand and Aarhus Kommune already, and when they needed an application for doing GIS registration in the field, we found a piece of software we had to adopt a little, but more or less out of the box, and we were able to set that up for these conditions down here.
So that is the app that we use to do the data registration of manholes, of sewer lines, the entry points, exit points, the communal tanks, and the customer that are on the sewage.
The way we use Gizmo is the same way as we use Gizmo in Denmark. It's one-to-one.
And then the app we are using is called the Gizmo app.
In March, Torbjørn Mandal Petersen visited Tema.
It's the first time for both me and LE34 in Ghana. It's very interesting, first of all, to come here and see our system already up and running. And I can see that they are in full use of the system, and they are glad to use the system. And of course, it's also interesting to see what other possibilities is laying around for us in different municipalities of Ghana.
The plan will allow Tema Metropolitan Assembly to collect user fees for wastewater treatment and finance the running and maintenance of the system.
The corporation, we are developing a wastewater management plan. In fact, it is the key of the corporation because from the data, they are now going to know the exact situation of the sewer.
Our trip down here have been to confirm for us if there is some business in both the rest of Ghana and also other parts of Africa. The concept is up and running. It's usable down here, and that means that the whole rest of Africa and the world is an open market now.